What's up guys, today I wanted to show you a tool that'll help you draw neo-traditional tattoo designs really fast. It's not anything you need to buy, it's super simple and literally anyone can do it. Before we dive in, my name is Brandon, I've been tattooing for 13 years and I own my own tattoo studio in Tennessee. I got into neo-traditional tattooing pretty early in my career and I started out in a pretty bad apprenticeship. My mentor pushed me into tattooing super early because he was just greedy about money. But that meant I didn't really have the time to work on my own drawing and perfect my own style. And no one ever sat me down to explain all the different styles of tattooing, like neo-traditional, traditional, or new school. I ended up leaving my apprenticeship before it was over just because I started picking up on things about my mentor not being as sanitary as he needed to be. I went to a different shop, which turned out to be a great decision because I learned about all the different styles when it came to tattooing. Then I got into neo-traditional because it matched the way I was already tattooing really well. And it also had a little bit more freedom when it came to tattooing if you look at more traditional stuff, which definitely appealed to me. And it also might be for you too. I ended up practicing a ton, and now I do custom neo-traditional tattoos mostly. And in the end, that's what my clients come to me for. But even though I liked drawing growing up, learning how to alter my artwork to make it neo-traditional and to flow with the body ended up really hard. Now, a good way to start picking up on neo-traditional tattoo designs is just look at an artist that has already perfected it, that you already like and follow. And you could do this randomly, like I did. I just sort of looked at neo-traditional designs online and then tried to draw them. I picked whatever design I liked or what I thought would look good in the moment. It took years to see any significant success when it came to my neo-traditional tattoo designs. And this is a way I would not recommend looking back. The other way, which I do recommend, is using a drawing calendar, which is what I wish I would have did. It would have sped up the process so much. And I actually do this with my apprentices now. And it allowed them to progress at a much faster pace than I did back in the day. And here is how it works. First, you decide what elements you want to focus on when it comes to a specific style, like wolves, daggers, something like that. And then you'll be doing the same design over and over again. Now, this doesn't mean the exact same tattoo, but if you want to learn to draw a neo-traditional rose really well, you wouldn't just draw it once. You would get a whole lot of references. And you could put those references into a calendar, which means you have it all planned out in advance. This is good because you won't get distracted online trying to find references. And you won't just draw whatever you want to draw for that day because you have a specific plan you need to stick to.
So you can see here that I have a spreadsheet. And this is the whole month. And each week I'd focus on just one type of design within neo-traditional. So for example, week 3 has all roses, which I've done a ton in my career, so they're important to learn. If you've looked at these images weeks apart, you might not notice the stuff in them that makes them a neo-traditional design. But if you drew these back to back, over the course of a week, you'd definitely pick it up.
You'd probably not only pick up on the color palettes, because you'll see there's sort of a darker yellow, brown, and more muted red over and over again. You'll also see that animals in neo-traditional often have these sort of glowing eyes, especially when they're trying to make them look angry. This is important because making expressions when it comes to neo-traditional designs can be really hard if you're just first starting to get into it. And it's super important if you want that dark or more mysterious look that neo-traditional is known for. Which is why in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So when you go to draw your own designs, you don't have any issues drawing the right emotions for your designs. But in the meantime, I want you to comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to know if this was helpful for you and what you've noticed about neo-traditional designs that are different than any other style. Let's get going in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.